Razer X versus Audio Cat. Let's see who's gonna get it. Razer X red light. Dragpack versus Hellcat 1320. Let's see. Hellcat for the win. The C8 Corvette against the Nova. Let's see what we got. That Nova is looking steady. Let's see if the C8 can hang with it. Old school versus new school. The Nova still got it. Woo! Damn. Scavenger tilting. Okay, let's see. Stock versus something. Look at the smoke. No idea if it's stock or not. That's a massive smoke right there. Woo! Let's see. Got my buddy here. Who wants smoke?
Who wants smoke? Let's see. Oh.
Fast Mustang against a Trackhawk. When I got here, they have just raced, and the Mustang got the first one. So let's see if the Trackhawk can get it this time. Another Hellcat here. Indigo. It's gonna be a solo run. Looks like a new one. He just got it, still with paper tag. Let's see what he can get.
I know he's running a lot more boost, like double. It might be just a little like double. We have extra 500 horsepower, never hurt anybody. Got slicks on it. I'm running stock motor, stock blower, stock transmission.
You make an excuse already.
Stock suspension.
Me too. I'm stock.
Are you not stock? You are not stock at all. You were stock once upon a time. But anyway, we're gonna get after it, man. We're gonna just run it. We're gonna do. You said you want an 8th mile. I'm all right. I'm good for it, man. 8th mile. I know that car's gonna come out 60. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. If you want to turn it back down to 15 like we had it in Memphis, I'm okay with that. And you said you weren't gonna spray it.
Nah, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. You know I got maxed out. All right.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
See what we got going on. What is yeah.
You guys just saw it. So that's the trash talking they got for the co-main event for today. So let's see how they do. The Blackbird just started up. Racer X has his hands full, but let's see. Let's see. Same way.
This way. Even he know that part.
Of course. Let's see, let's see. Okay, we're here, the winner. All right. Racer X. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, man.
What's your take on the race?
Fun little run, man. The car, we both spun coming out of the hole. I think I got him a little bit on the tree. And car did what this car always does. It just gets down through there, and she made a real strong pass. you know, even with the spin, it still put down a pretty solid time.
I saw it. I recorded it. So.
She made a rip. So I'm real pleased with the car. I gotta go talk to Donkmaster now and see what he says.
We will.
I appreciate it, brother.
Thank you very
so
much.
Thank you.
There you go. You guys just heard it from the man himself. So he's cooling it down right now. Probably he's gonna race it one more time. So stay tuned. Yo, look at this thing of beauty we got here today. We got certified _392. We got the man right here.
Telling you, everybody, look, make sure y'all come check out my channel after y'all done watching this channel. Big humble guy, super cool guy, you know what I'm saying? I was in the car chilling, he walked up, admired the car, had a full conversation, real down to earth guy. So make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. Like I say on my channel, it don't cost me nothing, it don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. But after you do that, come over to my channel, y'all already see it. Certified _392. Same for my Instagram, come follow me on Instagram, check me out. I got some dope content of my baby Nunu, you know what I'm saying? She bagged out. So it is a airlift 3H system. A lot of people go with the 3P system, but the difference between the 3P and the 3H, it's the exact same system. The 3H just comes with ride height sensors.
Okay.
What the ride height sensors does is anytime you have anything in the car, whether it's people, groceries, whatever, you know what I'm saying, and make sure that your car sits level to where your bags and the pressures in the bags are even all the way around to where your car sits level.
Means you daily drive the car?
Yes, I daily drive the car. It is a daily driver. It's hard to keep clean. I'm not going front. But like I said, it comes with the ride height sensors in the back. You have a 3-gallon seamless tank, dual compressors. I think they're the 444C compressors. That's your manifold. You also have your water trap.
Yes, just like mine, as you guys can see, he popped it up. He actually has a nice hook for it right here. And we don't have a spare tire, so we make good use of the space. So especially, like you said, he's gonna daily drive it, so groceries and stuff like that.
Biggest thing is, I wanted it to be seamless. So when you don't have any, you know what I'm saying, if you go grocery shopping, if you need to go to the airport with luggage, you have your trunk space. You definitely have your trunk space.
Now, do you take it to the track?
I do track it from time to time. I have, let me not lie on the channel. I have not tracked this one on the channel yet. All right, I used to drag my last car. I do run it on the street. I do a little runs in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? But I do have a set of drag radios that are going to get mounted on here as soon as I find some space.
And your other car was also back?
No, my other car was not back. That was my goal for the other car, but unfortunately, y'all need to check out my channel and check out my older videos because I did have a 2013 SRT8 dope car. If you follow that channel and follow those videos, older videos anyways, you'll see what happened and why I ended up getting this Charger.
It's always nice to go back and see the humble beginnings because everybody starts somewhere.
Exactly.
Not everybody starts with a 392.
Exactly.
And I had the SXT before. It's not on the channel, but I'll actually make a video in the future how we started and then eventually getting to a 392. I mean, eventually, like I said, we were talking and some people like to go straight to Hellcat, but hey, it's expensive. And the gas, maintenance, and
it's not for everybody.
It's not for everybody. Plus, almost 500 horsepower. What can you daily drive in 500?
Look, the biggest thing a lot of people don't realize is Hellcats, all that horsepower that those cars come with, it's not usable on a daily drive.
No.
A lot of those Hellcats, you see them on videos all the time. The minute they mash that gas, they're spinning. Spin City. This car, a 392, in my opinion, just my personal opinion, is the best bang for your buck daily driver that you can get. You have usable power. It's plenty powerful. You're not the slowest thing on the street. Some of y'all might disagree because there are faster cars out here. Of course. But it's still a fun car at the end of the day.
For what it is, for the weight that they have, man. And the Chargers are heavier than the Challengers. So, I mean, 4 doors, that takes some weight. So, you guys, how it is? Can you hit it?
Oh yeah, I can give you. So that's another big thing about airlift. You have a remote inside the car, but you also can control it via Bluetooth.
Oh, nice.
So it's the same thing as the remote inside the car. You can control it. Just double tap, and this thing will rise up to the ride height.
Nice. That's looking dope. So, hey, thank you very much. It was nice meeting you.
Likewise.
Take care. If I'm ever in Florida, I'll hook you up, okay? Thank you. Take care, man. We got our boy here, Who Wants Smoke, setting up his thing. He's gonna have some dig racing right now with the Corvette over there. So let's see what he got. Let's see. Obviously, he's been racing already today. You can see all the rubber. Oh, it's car, man. So we got him, Biggie.